that taste good? He's literally sticking his tongue out against the ball. Look. He was like moving it with his tongue. Look. Look at him.
I seen him do it already. I seen him. He's done it like 3 times today.
Is that going to stop? Sorry, why? Hi. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, you gonna roll over? You gonna roll over? Uh-oh. What's wrong? What's wrong? What happened? What happened? What happened? I don't know. Because he wants me to get this camera out of his face?